if you've lost access to your Instagram account and cannot receive verification codes, there are still ways to recover your account. Follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Open Instagram app. Launch the Instagram app on your device. On the login screen, tap on Forgot Password to initiate the recovery process. Step 2. Enter your username or email. Input your Instagram username or the email address associated with your account. This will help Instagram identify your account for recovery options. Step 3. Choose Need More Help. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Follow the on-screen instructions. Instagram will provide you with instructions based on the information you provided. Follow these steps carefully, which may include answering security questions or providing identification. Step 5. Wait for Instagram's response. After submitting your recovery request, wait for Instagram to review your case. They may contact you via email with further instructions or to confirm your identity. By following these steps, you can work towards regaining access to your Instagram account even without verification codes. Remember to check your email regularly for updates from Instagram.